Have you told Natasha yet? No, sir. I thought I'd talk to you first, and well, I'll tell her later. Yeah. Well, she's not gonna like this. She's gonna be sad. GASHKENDAM. GASHKENDAM's sad. Oh, well, here she comes now.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Oh, hey there, Natasha. Um, can you sit down for a minute?
Sure, what's up?
I just need to talk to you about something.
What's going on?
Well, I was just telling Nana Boozhoo here that I'm afraid it's time for me to tender my resignation from the show.
You what?
Well, I've decided to quit the show.
You're quitting the show? Why?
Well, I think it's just time. Sometimes a man's got to just do what a man's got to do.
But you're not a man, you're a dog.
I know, but it's time for me to go see what I can make of myself in this world.
Well,
You understand, don't you?
no.
Well, I'm sorry, but I got to do this, Natasha.
But I'm gonna miss you.
I know. I'm gonna miss you too.
GASHKENDAM. I'm sad.
GASHKENDAM. I'm sad too.
Thank you for watching. Boozhoo, not a Boozhoo.
Oh, for crying out loud.